Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Diaspol and thank you so much for all your likes, comment, share and subscribe my channel. If you're a new viewer, definitely go to our channel, watch all the videos, and if you're liking it, then hit the subscribe button to be a part of Smarter family. So in today's video, I just wanted to discuss regarding the market situation and what is my thought process on the investments. Because a lot of subscribers ask me this question: is it the right time to invest in this falling market? Because the market looks down right now, so is it the right time to enter the market, or should we wait further? So my thought, I'll just share my thought on this. This is not for buying or selling or investment purposes. I'm not an investment advisor, so this is only for educational purpose. So I'll just share my thought so you can listen to it and then take decision on your own or check with your investment advisor. So all right, so like Nifty has fallen down up to 7,600 levels from almost 12,000 levels. It has fallen to 7,600, which is very much down. So how much ever we have seen, this is the most fallen month in Nifty's history. So my thought on this is, even if you see my holdings, like I have invested in small cases. My intraday profits, I used to put there small profits, 8,000, 7,000, 6,000, I used to put there, right? So even that used to put in multiple stocks. Even that positions have, if you see, almost 21%, 33%, because in one day you see 16% fall, 20% fall, 17, 14, 12 and 10. This is how it is falling. So that is how the position looks. And also I had taken Nifty Bs around 88 shares. Okay, so I'm just investing them on them. So almost it is in P&L is in 8,000 negative, 11% down. Okay, so now these are average values. If you see, I've averaged them out one day back. So the average cost looks like this. So what, according to me, what I do is, there are certain holdings which I have, so I have to average out them. So in every dip, when the market falls like 500 points further, like from 9,000 it fell to 8,500, again from 8,500 it fell to 8,000. So these are the opportunities, because I don't know which is the end. So just like SIP, systematic investment planning, I put little bit of money in these holdings, little bit of them, thinking that my average price will come down. So that is the reason I've taken. And also if you see Nifty Bs, I just took 600 shares and investment, not short term, in a long term, in after few years, considering this will go up. Let Nifty recover after after this issue of this coronavirus thing. Once the market recovers, that is what I'm looking on these investments. So if market is falling again further down, again 500 points Nifty is falling, again I will add some more quantities and I'll average out the price, so that in the future this will be my buy price, it will be down, and let the market go up. So that is my prediction. But remember one thing. Now let's open Nifty 50, just showing reference of Nifty 50. You see how it has fallen till now. Okay, I'll just show you a simple technical part also on this. So if we try to add a line, okay, so let me draw a line on this. So where is our tool? Let's say horizontal line. So first point was this. So we thought this is a point where there is a resistance, so this will be a strong support. But if you see, this support also broke and finally it has gone down. So now next support where I see is somewhere around here, this point. If you see here, the market got a support and went up. So this looks like a support for me as per technicals. And post this, I see only this point. You see this 2008 point. So in the year 2008, over here you see Nifty was here. Again it hit this point and came down. Again it was touching the same resistance point, and a breakout happened and Nifty went up. Okay, so this one looks like a strong support point. So I have, now this point is broken. Now this is one more point where I will try to average out, and then I have a critical position here to add some more quantities to my investment. So what you see in my holdings are just small holdings. I have my holdings in angel broking also. Those are big holdings. I have positions in Exide and all that. So currently it is still in negative, so I'm waiting for that. I have averaged out and brought the buy price down, but few more percentage my cost to cost will be reached. Now what I'm trying to say in this particular situation is, if you look at Nifty, whatever graph I showed you, whatever drawing I did here, okay, whatever you see here, these points, these are technicals. Remember, these are technicals. So based on technicals, I'm adding my position. What is the risk? The risk is this virus, we don't have medicine for that. And till there will be a lot of deaths and till there will be new cases, and if the virus is spreading, market will react like this because people are exiting their position. Now I didn't exit my holdings, but there are a lot of big people. I'm holding some amount of money, few thousands here and few lakhs in angel broking, but there are people who have invested crores of money. They are exiting because of this particular fear. Okay, so that is one reason. Now if you ask me where it will end, even I can't tell, because until and unless we find a medicine or a solution for this virus, things will be going down. So that is a good news should come. Okay, the day a good news comes, I feel there will be some positivity in the market. People there, I have seen a lot of people waiting to invest money. They're just waiting for a downside position where they get a green signal to enter into the market. A lot of people are waiting, so that will boost the market up. That is one condition. Apart from that, be very careful. One more downside to disadvantage is because of the shutdown and this virus, the businesses all are shut down, if you know, lockdown. So because of this, a lot of companies will show financial losses now in this coming earning quarters. They will show financial losses, and all those losses they will report. So during this time again, market will react to it. Companies which were fallen down, will have that reaction based on their losses incurred, if they are incurred losses. So that will also have an impact on this whole market. So it is not a short term period. I would say it will take a long time. Let this few it may take few months for the virus to go. I cannot tell it, but I'm just hoping the virus will get over in few months, and then the market will have after effects. The companies will book losses and all those things, and all those reportings will happen. Then after some time, slowly a recovery will happen. So that is what you can see in the previous trends also, even when the market fell. But in this, you see, in 2008, after the market fell, the market corrected after. It's not immediately. After a few months, lot of months, or maybe after a year, the market started correcting. And it took years for a breakout. In 2014, it broke out this level, right? So same thing, it's a long-term process. It's not a short-term process. So if you're planning to put some money and take it out like intraday, it doesn't happen. You have to wait for some years to reap those benefits. And again, it totally depends on this particular situation. So there is no end to this particular fall until and unless there are certain measures taken on this virus and other issues are resolved, whatever is happening in the world. Okay, it is not just Indian market, it's regarding the whole world now, not just Indian market. And this is the effect we are seeing on our Indian markets only. So it's not because we are having a those companies are performing bad and all are falling 20-30%. No, because of the virus, the impacts are increasing. So once this virus is done, I would say 80-90% of the falling will reduce, and that will be the point to think about investment. So from my point of view, at every dip from here on, you can think about it. Okay, I'm again telling you this for educational purposes only. There is risk involved in this, whoever is taking. So yes, I take risk here. So every dip, I try to consider an SIP. So I average out my positions. My mutual fund is negative right now, but now again on 20th, again 23rd, my SIP month. We have a particular date when our orders will get triggered. So that date has been triggered. It has taken the price in the below level. So my average is coming down. So that is called SIP. That is an advantage when market moves wherever, whether it goes up or down, your price gets averaged out. But still the risk is there because no guarantee if this is the end, 7,600. Who knows if it reaches the down support of 6,000 rupees, right? So I cannot confirm that. But what I will take is I will take positions extra. I'll be adding few positions in each dip in such a way that in the future when it breaks all these levels and goes up, I will get my benefit. So that is my take on this particular situation. There is no end for downfall right now until unless we get a good news, and after good news also market may become a bit slow. It has to react to all the financial losses and all those issues what's going on. After that, I think there is a hope for the market. So if you're planning for an investment, it may take a long time. So don't think that I'll put now and I'll take it out. That is basically intraday what you will do, or short-term position for 2-3 days. You keep shorting. Now again, SEBI has come with few rules for shorting also. So that is to reduce the volatility. In a day, the stocks are falling. You see here 23%, 20%. I've never seen stocks falling, so many stocks falling in a single day. So the whole market is crashing. That's the reason the market has fallen 12% or 13%, I would say. It's the biggest fall to the market. So yeah, that is the main goal. So be very careful during this time. And this is a very, one way for investors, it is good. New investors, it is good. They never got this particular price which was available in 2014 levels. So we are getting that value in 2020. So that is one advantage. It's like a burst happening. So let's see how it happens. And if you are a beginner, I would say don't take risk, do paper trading. In my Telegram, I say to all my traders during this period, do paper trading and learn. Don't lose your hard-earned money and all that. So you also try to write down and learn from these situations. There is no harm in learning. And the people who have money, think twice before investing, because it holds risk also, because everything is speculation here. You're speculating that things are going to go and all that. External factors of coronavirus is hitting the market, so everything is unusual here. So be very careful and take your own risk. It's your own money, whether you want to keep it in the bank or fix a deposit or put it in the mutual fund or in the equity stock, the risk will go higher. So take risk based on that. That's all I would say. That is my point of view on investment, and that's how I am putting few shares and saving my holdings, whichever I have invested long back. So these my mutual funds are long, from 2-3 years I am putting those mutual funds, and finally it was in positive, now it has come to negative. So it happens like this once in a while, so we have to wait. I'm trying to average out most of them. So anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. Please do hit that like and subscribe. And for live trading, we are not getting too much of margin also. You see every day the volatility has increased, so there is no margin to trade. So let's see when the market will settle down and things go on, or else I'll try to do video on cash and carry. The profits will be small, but still we can do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please do hit that like and subscribe. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.